I am a proud mom of a 9-month-old baby girl and hope you will enjoy and you will like it. My GSC, my life. It was April 5. I joined GSC, first workshop at late morning, and we were gifted with what we were waiting. The time period of joining was just 1 month. The happiness GSC brought was multifold. GSC made me forget my hustle, worries, and cries. The results of yoga, tratak, brain gym shone bright in my eyes. A day came when my sugar and BP rose. Spoke to Siley ma'am and with affirmation, both came under limit and froze. I saw my baby through USG and with no more mystery. Baby being so active triggered a happy delivery. Tiny pea, bunny, cutie pie, sugary sweet. We were waiting, and GSC, you made us complete. Before GSC, I was tense, pessimist, and fragile. Introducing GSC, Vishnu ji, you are definitely a godchild. With daily activities, meditation, writing, and drawing, I was growing into a courageous, patient, and compassionate being. How would my baby look like and be? By visualization, my baby every day told me. GSC was truly a blessing, a fortune, a trove, harbingering my life with purest form of love. Low placenta, high thyroid, high BP, high sugar, low hemoglobin. Oh my GSC, these all were vanished as you took care of me with arms wide open. Mitanshi came with first cry, little laugh, cute hiccups, and tiny toes. You gave us the best, and with grace, my family towards you boast. Thank you all.